Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix black screen in the finals. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up Steam, go to the finals here, then right click on it, go to properties, then go to installed files and verify integrity of the game files. So if you're getting black screen, maybe your files is corrupted, so it will fix that, right? And if it's not working, then go to general and disable Steam overlay, right? And after that, you need to look if the problem persists or not. And still, if the problem persists, another thing that you can do here, you need to go to settings, then you need to go to gaming, then make sure game mode is on, then go back to gaming and to captures and make sure that record what happened is off and game bar is off here as well. And then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And still, if the problem persists, then make sure that your operating system and your GPU drivers is fully updated. And to do so, as you can see here, on settings, there is Windows Update. Check for updates, and if there is an update for you that you need to download and install it, please do so. And then you need to restart your computer and look if the problem persists or not. Same thing with your GPU drivers as well. You just need to go to depending on what GPU you're using. I'm using NVIDIA, so there is GeForce Experience after that. And then you just need to go to drivers, check for updates, and if there is an update for you that you need to download and install it, please do so. And then restart your computer, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And I believe you can go to device manager if you don't know what GPU you're using. Here on display adapters you will see, and then if you're using AMD, you can download the AMD Radeon, and if you're using NVIDIA, you can download GeForce Experience, or simply right click on it, update driver, search automatically for drivers and install it here. And last thing that should help for you, you need to go to settings, accessibility, and then visual effects, and turn off these three options here as well. And then your black screen should be fixed. So yeah, that's what I wanted to show you. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.